Ethiopian Airlines launches direct flights to Hanoi, Vietnam. The Ethiopian Airlines Group has officially commenced direct flight services to Hanoi, Vietnam. The inaugural event, held at the Skylight Hotel in Addis Ababa, was attended by high-ranking Ethiopian officials from the Ministry of Foreign Affairs and the Ministry of Transport and Logistics, as well as Vietnamese business representatives. During the ceremony, Ethiopian Airlines CEO Mesfin Tasso noted that the airline first began flights to the Far East, specifically China, in 1973, marking the start of its efforts to connect Africa with Asia. Mesfin Tasso stated that Ethiopian Airlines currently serves 27 Asian cities, and with the addition of Hanoi, its total destinations in Asia have increased to 28. The airline operates 190 weekly flights to Asian cities, and the 4 weekly flights to Hanoi raise this number to 194. The CEO added that the new direct flights to Hanoi will strengthen trade, investment, and tourism ties between Africa and Vietnam. According to the airline, 130 African passengers traveled to Hanoi on the inaugural flight from Addis Ababa.